Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your Aukey EP-N5 with the Android smartphone. So in order to do that, first of all, let's open our Aukey LED case like that, and now they're enabled, so we can try connecting with a Bluetooth to our phone. Now in order to open Bluetooth on our phone, there's actually two ways you can do it. The first one is to slide down your notification bar like this, or a toolbar in some phones. Now go for the Bluetooth. Here we can check for the list of available devices, and right here we can see Aukey EP-N5, so we can press on it. That way we'll enter pairing mode. Now let's press pair, and our device will be paired. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.